Welcome back in geological knowledge. So in the previous video we have talked about the some basics origin of the economic minerals, and in the next video or then the second video we have talked about some Indian ore minerals, in which we have talked about the copper, talc, okay, and some other lead zinc minerals. So now in this video we will talk about the some other Indian minerals, ore minerals, and this will be the second part of Indian mineral resources. Okay, so first question deals with the asbestos is a fibrous variety of chrysotile, uh, crystyle, or the crystale or the crystine. So asbestos is a fibrous variety, we all know, that is of chrysotile. Okay, so the common asbestos that is usually a is actually a fibrous variety of mineral chrysotile, and chrysotile is a hydrous silicate of magnesium. Okay, so asbestos is a fibrous variety of chrysotile. Okay, so option A is the right answer. The amphibole variety are found in which state? Karnataka, Bihar, Odisha, or the Rajasthan? So the amphibole varieties and some important varieties of amphibole, these are anthophyllite and tremolite. So they are produced in Udaipur and Durgapur district of Rajasthan. Okay, so these varieties of amphibole, they are generally found or mined from the Rajasthan state. Okay, and these types of questions are very important for your objective purpose questions like for JAM or BHUPET, because these types of questions are generally asked in the exams. Okay, so here option D is the right answer. Which mineral is used in paints, rubbers, textiles? Okay, the uses of minerals in textiles, paints, and rubber, that is asbestos, barytus, corundum, or the quartz. So barytus, the mineral barytus that finds use in paints, rubber, textiles, and also in oil well drilling. So that's very important significant, or the importance of barytus, that is in the oil well drilling muds, besides its chemical industry. Okay, chemical industry there is much use of barytus, but the most important and very significant use is during the process of oil drilling, oil well drilling. Okay, so here the option B, that is the barytus, is the right answer. Fourth one is, which state produces largest amount of barytus? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Karnataka and Odisha. So the Andhra Pradesh, this is presently the largest producer of barytus in our country. Okay, so you have to remember the famous minerals and their localities where they are from the which state they are being mined at a higher rate. Okay, the mineral occurs in limestones spread over districts of Kadapa, Kunul, and Anantapur. So the host rock in which the barytus minerals is found, that is in the limestone. Okay, so host rock being the limestone. So here option B is the right answer. Next one is, the pure variety of corundum is. There are several varieties of corundum or the gemstones. So emerald and ruby, sapphire and ruby, sapphire and diamond, or the ruby and coral. So ruby and the sapphire, these are two pure varieties of corundum which are used in the gemstone making. So high grade natural abrasive corundum. So corundum is a very high grade natural abrasive. Okay, the mineral finds its use in the grinding wheels. Its pure varieties form, these are gems, the ruby and the sapphire. Okay, and these are generally used for the ornamentation purposes, means for the making the ornaments. So the basic use is in the ornamentation industry. So here the pure variety of corundum, these are ruby and sapphire. Okay, next one is, dolomite is not used for as. There are several uses of dolomites. in various industries. Okay, and the question asked that is dolomites is not used generally for in as flux refractory material, source in special cements, or the precious gemstones. So it's quite easy to understand that is dolomite doesn't make any use in the precious gemstones. So dolomite is a carbonate rock of wide occurrence in India and elsewhere, and also with wide applications as a flux in metallurgical processes, as a refractory material, and as a source material in the specific cement industries. But in the precious gemstone industry, it has no such uses. Okay, so option D is the right answer of this question. Next one is which mineral is used in manufacture of sorrel cement? Dolomite, magnesite, manganese, or the iron. So magnesite is one of the important refractory materials, and other of magnesite includes in the manufacture of the special cement that is called as sorrel cement, and in chemical industries, and also as a source of the metal magnesium. Okay, and if we talk about the occurrence of magnesite, so magnesite mine, very well known magnesite mine is there in Almora district of Uttarakhand. Okay, so here option B is the right answer. Eighth one is mica is of which origin? Mica is a of which origin? Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, or erosional origin? So we all know that is mica is a hydrous silicate of aluminum with varying amounts of potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and sometimes iron is also present there. Okay, so you have to remember that it's a hydrous silicate mineral. Okay, some water content, water that is present H2O molecules, some molecules of H2O, these are present. And how we can characterize, how we can recognize, identify? So it's characterized by a perfect basal cleavage. So mica occurs in the form of books or the large seeds in pegmatites. In the previous video we have talked about the pegmatites. They form at the last stage of the crystallization of the minerals, so that's why they form larger and bigger minerals. Okay, and so they form of books are large seeds in pegmatites, where it is associated mainly with the quartz and feldspar. Okay, so the mica mineral is an igneous origin mineral and commonly occurs in pegmatites in the form of thick seeds and masses. So the same is written here. So the question, mica is of which origin? So the answer being the option A, that is of igneous origin. Next question is gypsum commonly occurs as a mineral of which origin? Gypsum commonly occurs as a mineral of which origin? Primary origin, secondary origin, tertiary origin, or the quaternary origin? Okay, so you have to identify, or you have to tell that is mica is of which origin. Okay, so gypsum commonly, sorry, mica, sorry, gypsum. The option question asked the gypsum commonly occurs, not mica. So gypsum commonly occurs as a mineral of secondary origin that is associated generally with the sedimentary formation in the form of intervening layers, stringers, or the extended beds. Okay, and the most important or the basic occurrence of gypsum, so gypsum occurs as a evaporite deposits, and it can also be found as a secondary mineral deposits from the percolating groundwater. Okay, so the correct answer, that is the secondary origin. Next question is the only producer of diamond in India: Rajasthan, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. So we all know that is Madhya Pradesh. In India, diamonds have been produced only in the state of Madhya Pradesh. from the well known Panna diamond mines. Okay, so Panna diamond mine, that is in Madhya Pradesh. So here the mineral occurs in the volcanic pipes. Those are mixed with the primary magmatic rocks, and they are also from the conglomerate deposits around the hill. Okay, so their association means the source rock or the host rock that is in the volcanic pipes, like in kimberlite pipes in South Africa. Okay, these are mixed with the primary magmatic rocks, and they also form from the conglomerate deposits around the hill. Okay, so they are surrounded by the conglomerate deposits. So this was our discussion about the some important minerals, ore minerals of India, and there are so many minerals, but we have discussed only the general minerals and which are generally asked in the examination. Okay, thank you. And the PDF of the economic mineral series, that is, we have discussed almost 3 videos. So the PDF of these 3 videos you can get in the third part. Okay, in the description box you can get it.